Did you know that the Forex market is one of the most volatile financial markets in the world? Stay tuned to discover a scalping strategy that can help you navigate this volatility and potentially boost your trading success. So let's dive into the exciting world of Forex trading with a high win rate scalping strategy designed specifically for beginners in 2024. First of all, you need to choose your symbol. So you enter this section and choose any symbol you like. This symbol can be from the Forex market or crypto or even the stock market. The choice is yours, but I suggest that you select symbols from the Forex market because this scalping strategy has had very good results on symbols from this market. Now we need to select our time frame. My recommended time frame is 5 minutes because it's very good for scalping. After that, we need to go to the indicator tab and add our first indicator to the chart. To do this, search for KDJ, and when you find it, click on it to add it to the chart. At the bottom of our chart, we can see this indicator, but it's a bit messy and needs to be organized. So, we go to its settings and make the changes we see to organize the indicator. Now we come to the explanations of this indicator. This indicator is actually an oscillator that allows us to find good entry points for trading. Whenever this indicator gives us a green dot and we see a color change, we can enter buy order, and when it shows us red dots, we can prepare ourselves for entering sell orders. In the following, you can see several examples of this that have given us good profits. But you always have to be aware that one indicator is not enough for us. So to add the second indicator to the chart, we go back to the indicator tab and search for SMAs by Vita. When you find it, click on it and then go to its settings. In this part, do all the changes you see with me so that this indicator becomes suitable for our use in this strategy. This indicator has 3 moving lines, and we use this indicator to identify trends. If the 50 moving average is above the 100 moving average, and the 100 moving average is also above 200 moving average, and in all price candles they are above these 3 lines, we understand that we are in an uptrend and the price will be increasing. So in these points, we should only look for buy positions. Conversely, if the 50 moving average is below the 100 moving average and the 100 moving average is below the 200 moving average, and in all price candles they are below these 3 lines, we understand that we are in a downtrend and the price is decreasing. So we should look for sell positions. First, let's start with a buy order. Initially, you should look for a green dot on the KDJ indicator. After that, make sure that at this point our trend is upward and it's expected that the price will increase. Now we understand that we have found a suitable entry point. After that, we should place our stop loss slightly below the last swing low. For take profit, it is enough to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. For a sell order, initially you should look for red dots on the KDJ indicator. After that, look at the SMAs indicator and make sure that at this point we are in a downtrend and it is expected that the price will decrease. If these conditions are met, we understand that we have found an entry point. We place our stop loss slightly above the last swing high. For take profit, it's enough to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. I hope that you can also achieve a good win rate on the symbols of your choice. I encourage you to practice implementing this strategy on a demo account to hone your skills and gain confidence. Share your results in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Forex trading tips and strategies to level up your trading games.